The flower bud is still not open. That's why it's still a bud. Let's put it back. Look! Wow! The wind is blowing it. Look at it, everyone. It's so beautiful. I can bring this home, of course. Let's just take a screenshot. Yeah, I took a screenshot of it with me beside it. Look at it, oh. Oh, there's a variation on top. Have you seen that? There's a variation of color. Oh. This is actually yellow or light orange yellow. But here, it's a bit pinkish or peach. Wow! Looks amazing! Please like and subscribe! Look at the green leaves. They are really green, but not too dark. But if you have color pencils or crayon, this is dark green. Wow! Hi! Please like and subscribe. Let's move on to another color of bougainvillea. Like, wow! Ganda-ganda! Jamila! Can we also say Jamila for things or plants? Ah! Ganda-ganda. Oh! Dali. Sige tayo. Ganda ng flower niyan. Ganda. I have 3 in the Philippines. 3 types. I have the white one. I have something like this. And the other one is like this color, pink. Light pink. Yeah, but I'm not very sure if it's this breed or this variation. Look, a little white at the bottom and pink, more pink on top. The apex part of the false leaf. Nice one. Lovely. Ganda-ganda po. No? Oh, ito oh. Ibang ano. Species. Tapos ito rin. Species variation. Ganda nila. Oh, wow. Ganda-ganda. Hindi kayo nagla-like. Binuview nyo naman. Yeah. Thank you po for viewing. Oh, wait. May mga buhangin. Diba? Ang ganda. Ay, ganda. Move. Ito yung isa din kanina na mayabong. Same. Pero ito, mas payat at manipis lang. Pero, halos same. Wow! So pretty! Oh, look! Wow! Look, kakaiba siya, oh! Oh, yung dahon niya may halong pink. Mutation in genetics. We're playing. Oh, did you see that? Do you see what I see? Ayun. My airplane. Bye-bye. Wow. Oh! Wow, there's a nest. I'll not touch the nest. Tatagan po, oh. May tatagan. This one is this color. Kawawa naman yung tatagan nila. May mga halong plastic. Oh no, those birds. May mga plastic yung tatagan nila. Ay, sad. A little bit sad, but they're still surviving. Yeah. We need to survive. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, bye for now. It's been getting hotter. Hotter and hotter.